another fun activity here in
Activitinio!
So, today pinag-uusapan natin yung mga iba't ibang talents ng mga bata. Noah, ano bang talent mo?
I'm not sure. Adah.
Singing?
Yan, yung mga talents parang ganun. Marunong kumanta, sumayaw, you can sing, you can dance, you can do hosting. And what do we use when we need to, kunwari, sing o kaya do hosting? Yes.
Microphone.
A microphone. So that's our art activity for today. We're going to make our DIY microphone. And we only need a few materials for it. Ano-ano bang mga kailangan natin gamitin?
A tissue roll pa?
Tissue roll. What else?
Aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil. Pieces of paper.
Crumpled.
Yes, you can use different kinds of paper. Pwedeng newspaper, old magazine, scratch paper. Pwede rin yan. And of course, we have our tape or glue.
Or adhesives?
Yes, kailangan din natin ng markers at ng ating
Scissors.
remember, little ones.
Be careful.
Okay. Kung nagtataka kayo what the tissue roll is, ito yung nasa gitna ng...
Tissue roll.
Yes. Pero syempre, gagamitin lang natin siya kapag ubos na. So you can ask help from your parents. Or you can also use cardboard and then roll it so that you can come up with a cylinder like so. Okay. So our first step is to prepare our paper. Okay, Kuya Noah, can you help me? Kailangan lang natin i-crumple yung paper para maka-form into a
Ball.
or a
Sphere.
Okay. Okay, so yan, bubuin lang. Pwedeng pagsama-samahin to make it into a bigger ball. Pwede rin gumamit ng bond paper kung gusto ninyo or mga scrap paper, mga hindi na ginagamit. Okay lang din
Newspaper.
yan.
Tape
Right.
po.
Kailangan natin yan isukat base sa ating...
Tissue roll.
Yes. Looks like a person.
Or tree.
Okay. Alright. Tape natin. Okay. Pero syempre, hindi naman ganyan yung color ng mic. So, what's missing?
Metal.
Metal. Okay. So, para magmukhang metal yung mic natin, we will be using an
Aluminum foil.
aluminum foil.
You can find it in your kitchen.
Which you can find in your kitchen. Okay, so let's measure. Let's measure first. Let's measure first our aluminum foil.
Ta-da! But be careful, little ones, because the edge part is actually super sharp.
Okay.
If you get the paper cut, that's gonna hurt.
Which side are we going to use? The shinier or not so
The
shiny?
shinier.
Which one's the shiny?
This one.
Okay. Pasok natin sa loob. Ipasok natin sa loob ng
Ball.
aluminum foil yung ball. Tapos, crumple it. Just crumple it at the bottom. And then, we need the handle of our mic. And put the mic on top.
And then you tape it.
Yes, that's when we tape it. Can you help me, Adah?
Of course.
Okay, so iti-tape lang natin siya para hindi mahulog yung ball sa ilalim. Overlap. Mag-overlap. Oops, not too much.
Both sides may tape.
Okay. Not so much. One more round. Alright, let's cut it.
Kailangan itim.
Maybe we can outline it black.
Okay. You can even add other designs. Halimbawa, gusto nyong lagyan ng mga lines para magmukhang net. Pwede rin. Or kung gusto nyong gumamit ng ibang materials, pwede rin. Pero ang importante, meron tayong handle at merong mic.
Your turn.
I don't know how to sing. But I can say, little ones, ipakita niyo po sana sa amin yung mga nagawa ninyong mga mic at kung paano niyo rin ito gagamitin. Kayo ba ay kakanta kagaya ni Ate Adah o kayo ba ay mag-hosting kagaya ni Kuya Noah? Pwede rin gamitin when you want to play games. Take turns sa paggamit ng inyong DIY mic. So sana makita din namin ang inyong mga ginawang mics at pati ang inyong mga talents. O paano, little ones, magkita-kita ulit tayo sa susunod para sa isa na namang masayang activity dito sa
Activitinio!